If you're looking to set up your Apollo.io account quickly and start using it to streamline your outreach, sales automation, and prospecting efforts, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through setting up Apollo.io, making sure you're up and running in no time. Whether you're new to the platform or just want to get things set up efficiently, keep watching. To begin, head over to Apollo.io's website. You'll see an option to sign up, either by using your Google account or manually entering your details. I recommend using Google for a quick sign up, but it's up to you. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can begin configuring your Apollo.io account to match your needs. Next, the first thing you should do is connect your email account. Apollo.io allows you to integrate Gmail, Outlook, and other email providers, so you can start sending outreach directly from the platform. By connecting your email, you'll ensure that your emails go out under your domain, and you'll be able to track opens, clicks, and replies all in real time. Setting this up properly is crucial for tracking your outreach effectiveness. Once your email is connected, let's set up your preferences. In the Settings tab, you can adjust your notification preferences, email signature, and other account details. It's worth taking the time to do this now to make sure everything is in place before you begin using the platform heavily. You'll also want to upload your logo if you're representing a business, which will help personalize the experience for your prospects. Now let's move on to the powerful part of Apollo.io, creating your lists. You can search for leads based on a variety of filters like job title, location, company size, and more. If you're targeting specific industries or decision makers, this is where you'll fine-tune your search criteria. Start building your target audience by adding people to a new list. Once you have your list, you can begin crafting your outreach sequences. You can either use pre-built email templates or create your own, depending on your needs. Apollo.io's automation feature is one of its strongest points. Setting up a sequence allows you to send follow-up emails automatically, saving you tons of time. You'll be able to customize the timing and content of each email, which is perfect for nurturing leads and staying top of mind with minimal effort. I recommend taking advantage of the sequence tracking feature so you know exactly how each email performs, whether it's open rates, click-throughs, or replies. Finally, take a look at the analytics section of your Apollo.io dashboard. It's essential to understand how well your campaigns are performing. The analytics page breaks down your outreach efforts, showing you key performance metrics and areas where you might need to improve. Whether you're focusing on a particular industry or tweaking your messaging, this section will help you refine your strategy and see real results. Now, if you're looking to give Apollo.io a try, I've got some good news. You can sign up and get access to an exclusive extended free trial through the first link below. This means you can explore all the features of Apollo.io without any commitment, allowing you to test the software before deciding if it's right for your business. With the extended trial, you'll have the full access you need to see how Apollo.io can help with your sales efforts and outreach automation. So, to wrap things up, now that your account is set up, you're ready to dive into Apollo.io's features, start building lists, automating outreach, and analyzing your performance to see how well your strategy works. Again, if you want to take advantage of the extended free trial, head down to the first link below and sign up. With Apollo.io, you're setting yourself up for success with smarter sales automation.